Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mansi and I make videos about scrapbooking, journaling and art. Today I'm going to review this box of Fevicryl Acrylic colors. They are from the brand Pidilite. I will review everything from the shades, pricing, packaging and everything that is inside this box. Now this is not a sponsored video and I will give my honest opinion here. So if you want to buy this particular brand and want to know how it is, then watch till the end and you can decide for yourself. So let's get started. So let's start with the packaging first. The colors come in a plastic box. It is very easy to open and very lightweight. Now the individual colors come in tiny glass bottles of 15 ml each. There are 10 shades in total here, but there are also other shades available. You can see it on this side of the box. Now there is a little paper given here. It has the shade mixing. You can see that which two colors combined give which color, and this way you can make your own shades. You can also visit their website to know more. On the back side we have this drawing, a landscape drawing. You can paint this with the choice of your colors, and they have also given a reference painting. If you want to copy this, you can do that. It is a very good small activity. Now these colors can be used to paint bottles on canvases and different artifacts as well. What I don't like about this packaging is that all the caps are of white color. It's very difficult to recognize which color is which. But if you remove this inner paper lining, you can easily see from the outside. So that's a hack. And yeah, let's get to the pricing now. The price of individual colors is 20 rupees and that of entire box was 200 rupees. Now the price and quantity is same as that of Fevicryl Acrylic colors from the brand Camel. I think they should have given us a little discount here because this bottle is individually available at a stationery for 20 rupees. So that way we can just choose our favorite 10 colors from this picture and buy them instead of buying these specific 10 colors. So if you want us to buy this particular set, at least give us a discount of about 10 to 20 rupees. But 200 rupees is also not that much. It comes to around $3 and I think it's reasonable. Now let's check this on a paper and I'll show you how the particular shades look. So these are all the shades. I like how bright and shiny they are. I'll quickly state the names. This one is white. Then we have ultramarine blue. Then we have deep brilliant purple. This color is purple. I thought it was pink, but it's not. It's purple. Then we got black, orange, sap green, light green, lemon yellow, burnt sienna and crimson. Now let's get to the swatches. Let's start with the crimson color, or you might say that it is red. The next is orange. These colors are very glossy. It's nice if you want to paint something vibrant. Coming to the burnt sienna. Sienna, what is it, guys? Tell me the correct pronunciation in the comments. Moving on to light green. Wow, this one is nice. Oops, splashed a little. Then we have sap green. I really like that they have provided different shades of green. It is the color that I'll use the most. Wow, it's pretty. Then we have the purple, not the pink, the purple. I like how they are quickly drying off. I mean, look at the red, it's almost completely dry. Then we have the ultramarine blue. See how dark this shade is. The lemon yellow. I think I took too much on the brush, but it's okay. Then we have the black. Black is also very dark and I like it. At the end, we have the white color. There is no space left, so I'll just do one here. So yeah, that's all the colors, and you can see that how bright and shiny they are. The next thing that I want to check is that how well these colors do when shading, because most of the times we are not using a single color, we are making a blend and making some scenic skylines using different shades. So I will start with the yellow, then orange, and gradually move on to the red, and we will see that how well these colors merge together. Now acrylic paints dry really fast, so we have to keep our brush wet and gradually merge these colors together. So let's see how well they do when shading. So this is how it turned out. Let me show you up close. I really like the way how the colors blended very easily. With the right amount of water, you can do the job in a few strokes itself. Overall, I rate this product an 8 out of 10. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do more such product reviews, comment down below and I will try my best. Till then, bye and take care.